In this screencast, I'm going to walk you through how to attach an artifact to an assignment in Google Classroom. I am logged in as a student in this demonstration class, and then I will click on the assignment in question and click on View Assignment. This particular assignment does not come with any artifacts that I need to submit, so I need to attach my own. And the first time that you do this, it's going to actually prompt you to go through or walk you through the steps. But over here in the upper right hand corner, I'm going to click Add. And then you can choose an artifact from your Google Drive, a link to another website, a file such as one off of your computer. And then you can also create a new doc, slide, sheet, or drawing if you'd like to create your artifact from scratch within Classroom. So I'll click File. Oftentimes what you might be uploading would be a screenshot. And so in the window that pops up, we're going to click on Upload and then Browse and find the screenshot file, which is likely going to be on your desktop. Then I can select the file that I'd like to attach, click Open. It will upload it. And then I could include a private comment using the private comments box on the bottom right. Press the Send button to send the comment to my teacher, and then press the Turn In button in order to pass in the assignment to my teacher. And that is how you submit your assignment. Now, if you decide that you need to attach further artifacts to an assignment, you can always unsubmit it in order to regain the assignment on your end, reclaim ownership, and add any additional artifacts that you might need to attach. So I'll repeat the same process and then click on a file. And then once all of my artifacts have uploaded again, I can then click Turn In again, and it will send both the assignments to my teacher. So that's how you turn in an assignment with artifacts of your choosing. I hope that helps.